This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on how to do your double platings fascinators base. It's very simple. I have my base. You can use different type of base. This is white, this is small, but I'm going to use this white one. Organza. I have my white organza and my red organza to do this work. I have my Alice band. I have my, this is, you can call it a pearls. I'm going to use to design it, and I have my feather, my needle and thread, my wool gum, B6000, because I'm using cloth. You can use your B6000 and you can use your wool gum, and you can use your wax candle gum. Scissors to cut the cloth. Then let's start. This, the length of it is 60, while the breadth of it is 9. The first thing you are going to do is to fold the cloth at the edge like this into 2, then fold it together. Then you have to run your stitches down to the end. From here, do it the way I'm doing it to the end. Do the hemming to the end, then at the end of it, fold the cloth into 2 again. The edge, fold it into 2, then continue the stitches hemming. Continue the hemming to the end. Continue the hemming to the end. Now draw it together. Draw everything together like this. Draw it together. If one is not going to be enough, that means we are going to make 2 in order to run the mold. That means put it at the back of your mind that it's not only one that you are going to use, depends on the mold that you are using. Like my mold, see my mold. Then if I place it, that means I'm going to use like two of this to cover it. Then we are going to make one more the way we make this. This is the first one, this is the second one. Then the cream, the size of the cream is length is 45, while the wide of it, the mouth of it is 6. Therefore, this brim, this is my brim. Now take your wax candle gum. Take your wax candle gum. This is wax candle gum. Put it at the edge of it like this. That's where you are going to gum it. Put it at the edge. Then take the cloth that you have, take the cloth, you can see it from here, you place it at the edge where you put the wax candle, then you gum it. As you are gumming it, you'll be drawing the pleatings so that it can full. And then take the second one, gum it. This is it. I've put the cloth round. Then the next thing is to put my, this is the second organza. You can see it. This one, make sure that this place, the rough place, turn inside to cover the other one. Then gum it round. Place it on top of the cloth. This one I make two of it so that I can go round, but the same knitting style. I'm going to fix my feathers there, put it on top of that cream cloth. You can see it. I've fixed my, I'm going to design it with this. Then put my Alice band. Please, if you don't know how to put your Alice band, check BB Ventures house how to fix my Alice band, how to mold, and how to fix my wire on fascinator. Design it. You can see it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.